Hi Cancerians, welcome back to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Wish Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Essentials Running. Let's start with the reading, okay? And I'm been like doing these readings like this for some time. I had the calling and I go with my calling, okay? So they said that boom, you go, you do it like this. I used to do it way back when I started my channel, okay? So hopefully that you people are getting guidance. I can see the views. I am thankful, and let's boom you go start. This is going to be right from 14th June till 20th of June, though timeless readings. Okay, so the message that is coming for you is like, I heard number 12, okay? I heard number 12, and I also heard first prior number 12 was honey, you are mine. Honey, you are mine. However it resonates with you, vice versa, these are general vibes. I kind of took this deck, okay, and I took out number 12, and which is at the bottom. I kept it just to show you from different deck because I was shuffling this and I need to focus on this deck. But then again, you have number 12, which makes sense. So there is this move, there is this someone who's going to remove the hand and they're going to see. It's also kind of like your awakening. It's something that might be happening in your life. It's for the better. Like after this comes the endings and then the rebirth kind of energy that is happening in your life. This is something major. The hangman, of course, is major. Major thing is happening in your life, and it's supposed to be like you need to unleash that ribbon in order to come down. It's something that you cannot ignore anymore or avoid anymore. It's possible you were doing it. However, we are reading out for your energy, so however it fits you. But Cancerians, I hear that honey, you are mine. Just very amazing, and this bottom energy is so fascinating because it goes with your message also. Apart from that, number 12, okay? So possible some of you are waiting on giving the answer. There is certain kind of approval though coming in your future. We're going to see it when we are going to lay the cards. But the energy is listen. There is someone who is going to say listen. There is a proposal or friendly handshake, which is not going to be friendly anymore. Something possible started because when I was about to say like 14th June, I don't know why I had this calling of like just prior week kind of energy, and you may check that week energies as well. I did separate Cancerians. I do as per shuffle and I do as per my calling. So you have Page of Cups, so there may be a Cancerian, Scorpion, Piscean energy around you, or this may be just your emotional situation. Okay, there's this offer. There's specific Pisces as well. Wow, this is amazing. I'm seeing this with you now, and you have Four of Cups energy. Wow, offer. Okay, there's offer, but there's also number 12. As I said, there's this Hanged Man energy, and to me this is saying that you're trying to avoid something, or you're going to avoid in the way you're just feeling like I never saw it, but it is there. It's going to stay there because you're getting Eight of Wands energy. It's like the move energy. It's something that is moving forward. You're receiving something, message or something. Okay, it's someone who's asking you to do something here, to give answer possible, just a fresh start to something as well. So possible for some of you after the pause, you're going to hear from someone. This judgment is a call back for me. Maybe chance someone is asking, or maybe just like life is giving you birth sign, rebirth is happening here. After so much of clashes with your own scenario and complexities, because I feel some of you, or possible many of your percentage, is kind of like you were feeling like this clogged, okay? Something was like this, okay? It felt as if like it's ticking and it's giving you the pain and the rings. But now it's kind of energy which is like opening, like a claw is opening, and now it's free, and now someone wants to have this handshake, kind of like this, okay? So I feel for some of you, or for many of you, I ask for positive energy, and I feel this kind of thing is coming. So are we supposed to take this energy? Yes, they're saying. Page of Cups energy is here around you, which is going to be very soft energy, and this is going to be very loving energy as well. There may be someone younger than you. If this is your energy, you're going to know. But if there is someone, you are going to be very loving towards them. There's emotional flow towards you, I feel, in this time frame, which is going to be, and you should make the utmost use of that. There's a lot of love, and you're feeling fresh. I feel like you people are feeling really fresh and soft, and not weak, not fragile, rather fresh and soft, which is very important. Like when you feel fresh, you're more active, and I feel like your more energy is like active. Okay, you're ready to make big moves even. Just like number 12. Number 12 is telling you that possible it is connected for some of you like of 12 months energy of like the year that you waited for something, or 12 weeks, 12 days. Something will change in your life in coming 12 days, or this may be even 12 years of vibe. I don't know what you waited for. I mean, some of you being single, I feel totally single for like 12 months or 12 years even, okay? It was like hard thing for you guys to come out of certain kind of like your Cancerian like energy, like crab, like you were inside taking care of yourself. But I feel like now is the time to make move. Now is the time to come out of that. Now is the time to take a little bit of dare on your part, being soft, okay? Because I feel there's soft energy around you, okay? They're trying to tell me again and again. Interesting. Oh my God, you have 6 of Cups energy. You just saw it. So this may be feeling fresh with people around you, feeling fresh with memory lane, feeling fresh with someone in particular. This may be resurgence because it goes so well with your judgment, like a callback, chance given, or someone who is doing this and you were avoiding it, but you're going to hear out from someone. So possible you're coming from this place and you're feeling fresh, you're overcoming something from the past energy. There may be something connected with resurgence, okay? It depends. Lover from past or lover from any lifetime is meeting you, or I heard is trying to meet you. So this goes that way. Like you're going to feel so fresh, and you're going to feel like, oh my God, I'm living my college days. Oh my God, I'm living, if you're in college already, I don't know. Oh my God, I'm living my school days, or just kind of like, this is so fresh. Like someone is making peace with you, loyalty, startup of something. You have Queen of Swords energy. I heard the word no judgment, but you're going to have a same moment. There's this Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe around you, Cancerians. So maybe a cross watcher falling in someone's chart. If that's not the case, there's going to be same moment, okay, with the person, and no judgments. So it's like very clear. Maybe someone's energy is very clear. Like what they say, it's very clear conversation. It's not manipulated. It's not something that they say and they're not going to do, okay? And you will ultimately see it after 12, okay? So it's like the change in the situation, I feel. A lot of courage that you require, a lot of courage this person require to say what they really need to say, because there's a rush of conversation, rush of event going to happen. Knight of Swords energy, okay? It's going to be rush. All I can hear. Someone's gonna say something very fast, but you need to hear it very clear. And this is going to happen in the future. We're going to see what's beyond, but there's Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. There's conversation. And it's like no judgment, and this is something like nothing but pure, okay? 10 of Cups. It's like assurance. It's like, I know, it's like family union, reunion, celebration of some sort. You have to have certain conversation that is very important, it's going to be very important with the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius as well in this coming time. Maybe it's about what was said and done. Maybe it's about what laid the foundation. If it is a callback and judgment, giving chance. This maybe you want to be clear. This is someone who might be clearing out the cover-up energy or something that they said, possible deception, lie, cheat, thiefy energy. Possible. So this may be for some of you reassurance of something from the past, and they're going to reassure you with what they said, with what they feel, with what you feel, okay? But let's see. Okay, in the future, there's going to be little juggle between decision between two. It's also Two of Pentacles. It's about choice making. This may be work opportunity for you. Okay, it's good. I think I did the last reading of last week of like grounding or something. It was positive. It was though positive, but the graph goes a little bit up and down. So honey, you're mine, and this is going to actually mess up your mind. Honey, you're mine. So you really need to figure out what you want, what is your thing, what is making you happy. Okay, this is the card that is telling you what is making you happy. Now when someone is telling you honey your mind, however it goes, vice versa, you all have the choice to be in this, the Hanged Man. Okay, so I feel an offer will come or something will happen here, but it will be something that will little bit possible give you stress zone, or this is something that you just don't want to take decision right now. So you're going to be in hand situation, whether you should proceed with it or you should end. Okay, there is a very puzzled communication I see here. Okay, but some of us do want, or we always want the resurgence kind of, because we need answers. Okay, so many people are going through like, I need to hear from them. So if you hear from them, then what you're going to do, because that's what is coming, you have a better choice to make. Karma is prevailing here. I see my Ace of Wands is my karma card. There's something, some action, some approach. Number 12, Hanged Man situation again. Number 13, Death, Scorpio energy. But apart from that, it's about endings and births, kind of like death and rebirth. The Lovers, choices, wise decision. Lovers, Gemini. It's about to choose or not to choose, to move or not to move. Interesting vibe. What's beyond this in the future? Definitely there's going to be something that you're going to think deep about. An offer of love, offer of work. Some of you are going to not going to taste this bitter soup anymore. Like, you're going to end it. It's for the better. Like after the 12, number 13, which is the end, to have the new beginning. So it's like it's closed. For some of you, the chapter is closed. Your decision is going to be on you. Focus is on you. Okay, so that it doesn't hurt you anymore. What's with this 10 of Swords? Cancerians are going for, they should have done and said way back. Way back. Now this may be, for some cases, it's a U-turn of someone towards you, and you have your guards up and clarity intact. Page of Swords. So maybe with the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, maybe message coming. Maybe you're going to clear out something to someone. I'm not going to do it, kind of. But with this 8 of Cups energy, this is also like you're turning back to something that you don't want to cherish, or you do not cherish. This 8 of Cups may be your walk away energy. Closing the chapter for forever and not looking to that. Not expecting, because they lied and cheated. Okay, if this is the situation. However, with the 2 of Pentacles, there's also walking away from one thing in order to enter in something new, and which is always your right, so that you can make better decisions because of 10 of Swords. So this is for the season that you are making change for your life. There's no duality now. There is this thing. That's it. So for some, there may be a U-turn kind of. Not from your side, but from someone's side, I feel. What's in your future? But before you lead your way into something big and huge, you have to come out of prison. And that you are doing actually. Honey, your mind doesn't make sense. Someone who is coming after ghosting situation or having a sour soup with you, or you had a sour soup with them. Oh my God, no, I'm not coming. Okay, it's your right, obviously. Oh, I don't want to see it. Oh, I don't approve that. What's that? For many of you, I hear new chapter. Okay, because birth, rebirth, it's always difficult, obviously, and no one is in someone's shoes, so they know it better. Prison energy is all about you breaking your own areas. This is like breaking your own areas, which you feel is like, whoa, I don't want it. You have a sigh moment and you have melancholy, and these are coming reverse, which is so fantastic. You might hear out from a friend who was like, who feel the, I can be close to you, or feel like having feelings, just a handshake, and you're not approving. I feel like you're not smiling to this friend or someone, because they caused you melancholy and sighs. But I feel with this, it's gone, okay? you are doing it like a reverse to this situation. Whoever caused you melancholy, whoever caused you sigh, you're not returning. It's like you are crushing that rose and leaving that. Okay, what is that is better in your future coming? Let's see. Everything is though better here because you're making decision, but let's just see. Cancerian, what is coming from universe for your better future? There is this kind of like new adventure and new activity in your life which is making you more happy. With the Knight of Wands energy, there is this Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So possible with the Two of Pentacles, there is this choice. Possible with this card, this energy, there is this fantastic approach of someone in your life or you are heading towards. There's this creativity and adventure, and you're no longer attached with these energies because you should not and you don't want. But with this, you're free from something. You're dancing on your tunes. Okay, some of you are going to grab someone's hold in the coming future, which is again about the choice making. So better thing is better music coming in your life, better horse coming in your life, which is going to take you far, far, far. You're going to enjoy your life. Okay. Number 13, death and rebirth. It's amazing. It's something that you see through. It's something new scenery. It's just going so good, well, with number 12 and after that 13. So beautiful. There's a big change in your life and it's okay, and you're not going to even miss something from the past because you're going in for a big change. You're excited for your future, you're active, you're energetic. Okay, I hope this is going to help you, and love you. See you soon.